Alright, so this is a Cub Cadet cc4065, and we are going to replace the drive shaft, which is right in here. I ordered this part from partstree.com. Cost about 30 bucks after shipping. What's happening is when we start this, it's just not spinning very fast, so I'm thinking it's probably the drive shaft. Let's see what we got here. Here's the new flexible drive shaft. We've got several screws here we just need to remove real quick. This is a star tip head. It'll fit in there. Pull this off. There's the old drive shaft. We're just going to put the new one in. Okay, we'll start with the set screw again, just this right here. So it's back in line.